Ever wondered how many people actually use Expensify? You know, that app that's supposed to make expense reports magically disappear? Well, buckle up, because we're about to dive deep into the world of Expensify user numbers. Expensify, for the uninitiated, is a popular expense management platform. It's designed to simplify the process of tracking and submitting expenses, from receipts to mileage. But how many businesses and individuals actually rely on it? That's the million-dollar question, and we're here to find the answer. Now, here's the thing, Expensify doesn't exactly shout its user numbers from the rooftops. They're a private company, so precise figures are hard to come by. But fear not, because we're going to do some detective work to uncover some valuable insights. Let's start with what Expensify does tell us. They boast about having millions of users worldwide. That's a significant number, but it lacks the granularity we crave. Are we talking millions of individual users or millions of accounts, which could include multiple users per company? We can turn to industry reports and analyst estimates to get a better picture. These reports often provide insights into market share and growth trends within the expense management software space. By analyzing these reports, we can get a sense of Expensify's position relative to its competitors. Another clue lies in Expensify's own marketing materials. They often highlight partnerships with major companies and organizations. These partnerships can give us an idea of the scale of their clientele and the types of businesses that rely on their platform. Finally, we can look at online reviews and testimonials from actual Expensify users. While anecdotal, these first-hand accounts can provide valuable insights into the user experience and the types of organizations that are benefiting from the platform. Based on our research, it's safe to say that Expensify has a substantial user base. While the exact number remains elusive, it's clear that millions of individuals and businesses worldwide rely on their platform to streamline their expense management processes. Expensify's success can be attributed to several factors, including its user-friendly interface, robust features, and strong emphasis on automation. The platform's ability to integrate with various accounting and business travel systems further enhances its appeal. Of course, no software solution is perfect. Some users have expressed concerns about pricing, customer support, and the occasional technical glitches. However, these concerns seem to be relatively minor compared to the overall benefits that Expensify offers. So, while we may not have a definitive answer to the question how many users does Expensify have, we've gained a valuable understanding of the platform's popularity and its impact on the expense management landscape. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.